Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today we are going to make Dhaba style Amritsari Paneer Bhurji. It comes out so delicious, believe me. If you make and serve it to your friends when you entertain, they will think that it's from a restaurant or a dhaba. They'll never believe that this is homemade. But for those authentic flavors, no compromise on butter, or if you're using desi ghee, clarified butter, use it liberally. And the second point is the spices. They have to be freshly roasted and ground. Don't use the ready-made spices. You will not get the same taste. I always grind my spices at home in smaller quantity so that the flavors are intact. Store them in airtight containers and use them as and when you require. So shall we proceed to make this dhaba style Amritsari Paneer Bhurji? Here are the ingredients for the bhurji. I have taken grated paneer, about 250 grams. This is Malai paneer. 3 tomatoes grated, ginger, garlic and chilli paste about 3 tablespoons, 3 to 4 onions grated, or you can chop them up finely also. Yogurt, we have taken a small cup of 85 grams. Roasted gram flour or besan, 2 teaspoons. Salt as needed. Tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon. This balances the flavors. Butter 2 to 3 teaspoons. You could also use ghee or clarified butter instead. Coriander leaves handful. Olive oil or any oil, normal oil 3 tablespoons. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Garam masala powder half teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Now here for the spices we have taken Kasoori methi 1 teaspoon. Saunf or fennel seed powder 1/4 teaspoon. This really enhances the flavor. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Cumin powder half teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. And Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon. For your reference, the list is also shared in the description box. First, let us mix the yogurt and the spices together. Take the yogurt into a larger bowl. Add little salt and the roasted besan or gram flour. And all the spices and kasuri methi go into it. Add a little bit of water and whisk everything together. Mix until all the lumps are gone and the spices are mixed very well into the yogurt. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the notifications whenever I upload a new video, and choose all option from the drop down menu. Now set this aside and start the cooking process. Heat oil, both the oils, olive oil and mustard oil. Bring them to a smoking point because mustard oil always has to be heated up very well. And then reduce the flame, add the cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add the ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. The chilli level can be adjusted to your preference. I have added 2 green chillies. You can add more if you like. Stir until the color changes. You can do this over medium flame. Now it's nearly done. We can add the grated onions. Give them a nice mix with a spatula and spread them around in the pan. This way the moisture gets dried up very fast, and you can do this on high flame. Cover the pan and cook it for some time. In between, give it a stir to ensure that it is being cooked evenly. Continue stirring until the water dries up. You can see now oil is coming out on the sides. Now stir in the yogurt mixture. Saute it continuously. We have to cook it very well because we have added little bit of besan or gram flour, which needs cooking. At least for a minute you saute it. Now you can see the bubble formation. At this stage, add the grated tomatoes and little salt over them. This is a tip I always tell you that helps the tomatoes cook fast and brings out the sourness. Mix them well and continue to cook. The tomatoes are soft now and very well blended with the onion mixture. Cover and simmer it on low flame for some time. Lovely. Now stir in the ketchup. If you want, you could also replace it with a little bit of sugar, but ketchup is better, I feel. It gives a nice color also to the curries. Add some coriander leaves. Oh, it's very well cooked. Now time to add little water for the gravy. Half cup will do. Give it a nice stir. And now we are going to simmer this. Look at the lovely texture of the gravy, spices, yogurt. Check the salt and add if required. At this stage you can even add chilies if you want. Stir them, cover and simmer it a bit. After about half a minute it should be done. You can see the oil is also floating on top, and look at the lovely texture of the gravy. Awesome. Now time to add the paneer. Add the grated paneer and mix it. This is Malai paneer, so it will not take very long to cook. It has got soft and melt in the mouth texture. Mix everything well with the spatula. Finally add the garam masala powder. Mix it. Finish with small chunks of butter, or you can add desi ghee or clarified butter. Dhaba style Amritsari Paneer Bhurji is ready. Dish it out and you can enjoy this bhurji with naans, rotis, rumali rotis, kulchas. It really tastes awesome. This paneer bhurji is a real big hit with all my friends. They love it. It has got that amazing dhaba kind of flavors because my spices are all roasted at home and ground. Now garnish with some coriander leaves, green chilli, wedges of tomato and lemon. So friends, do give it a try. You really have to make it to believe what I say is true. It really is amazing. The flavors are so good. So make and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out as well. And I'll soon be back with another interesting recipe. Stay tuned.